Hi explorers! So this is a little bit of a continuation video on the Kibou bag. I wanted to show you what I put into my Kibou bag when I pack it away. So let's go ahead and see that. Alright, so in the front part, as you can see, I need something that is very easily accessible, which usually is my phone right over here. I'll put my phone in this main compartment. And also I'm going to be putting in my wallet right over here. So I'm going to be putting my wallet, my phone. It also has little key slots, card slots, my goodness. Card slots right over here. So you can go ahead and put some cards or some gift cards, coupons, whatever you like. So there is that is integrated into the bag. And I am just going to close it up. Fits really nicely in there and it's very easily accessible. That way it's the first thing you reach for. Next, in the main compartment of the Kibou bag right over here, I'm going to be putting in all the necessities for Baby Willow. So right over here, I'm going to put in, I don't know, usually 2 to 3 diapers if it's just a very quick outing. So I'm going to be putting in 3 just in case, you never know. So 3 diapers fit in there very easily. I'm also going to be putting in a burp rag because you never know when things get a little messy. Right now she's in her drooling stage. There, still fits a lot of stuff in there. I'm also going to include 1 outfit, so it's always good to put in a little outfit change for a little bit better. So it's nice to be able to have something that is lightweight and something that packs very easily. So I'm going to be putting that into the bag right here on the edge, and everything fits really nicely. There's still a little bit of space actually, so I'm going to put one more thing that is very important. It's a little pacifier right over here, space right over here, and actually still space for one more thing. Should I go ahead and put these glasses in? I think I will. I can either wear it or just put it in, but everything fits so nicely in there. So I'm going to put it in and I am going to zip up the bag. It's a little full, but it's still pretty roomy for sure. So there it is, nicely zipped up. And in the back right here, we have, of course, our bag. I'm going to clip this so I can show you a little bit easier. There we go. In the back, we have the removable Velcro integrated diaper pads. So I'm going to keep that in there, of course. So I'm not going to mess around with that and just leave it there. But in the last pouch of the Kibou bag, I'm going to put in the wipes. So I'm going to put the wet wipes that are very important to carry around for messes, for diaper changes. So if you have wipes, you're simply going to take them out of the bag. So I believe that on the website it said that it carries about 20 wipes or so into that wet compartment. So right over here I have very few because I wanted to finish this pouch. So I have about maybe 8 wipes right over here. Yeah, maybe about 7 or 8 wipes. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it into this waterproof pouch right over here. They slip in really easily and this pouch will remain wet, and I think your wipes stay wet for a very long time. But of course you're gonna be using them so fast. So yeah, so we've got our wipes in there, easy to use while you're doing the diaper changes. So there you go. All the things you need in your daily diaper change when you're running around doing small errands. And also if you're at the airport and you just want to have something that's handy, something that's ready to go, this is the bag for you. I really enjoy using this bag. It's fantastic. It's very simple, very minimal, and I just love the way that everything I need that is really an essential fits in this bag and in all of its compartments, from your phone, your wallet, to any coupons, any tickets right over here, to all of the essentials into the main compartment right over here, whether it's your glasses, change of clothing for the baby, diapers, pacifiers, it all fits into the main compartment, to the removable diaper pad in the back, and of course, as you already saw, the wet wipes compartment, also the compartment where you put your soiled clothing. So it's all there, all in one place. I will highly recommend this product because it's also made out of vegan leather, and comes in so many different colors. So I'll post a link down below, but I highly encourage you to check out the Kibou bag. Bye, explorers!
Please make sure to subscribe and click on the little bell button to receive any notifications when new videos are posted. Please also visit a Pair Life website. I will be posting the link with also the social media links down below. If you subscribe to the mailing list, you will be notified of new posts. Goodbye, explorers!